Okay, this bike's been sitting here about a month. I haven't had time or the desire to get on it right away. You know, I've taken the seat off, unhooked the battery already. I should have showed you what it was going on, but the starter, you just hit the button, that's all I could hear it spinning. So probably the clutch is bad in it, you know, the starter clutch. And I am debating whether to rebuild it or buy a used one off of eBay. And I'm kind of steering towards buying a used one off of eBay because it's going to be about the same price as new parts. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll check it out. Let's get this off of here. The starter bolts are way back, so I have a couple extensions just trying to stay out of your way. One of these days I'll buy one long one. Also, it's good for little tight areas like this is going to be. This wire looks like it's going to be in my way. It's got to come off anyhow. Oh, that's a nice boot they got on there. Real nice boot. Sorry about my fingers. It just... Huh. That's an awesome boot. I had to fold it over to get out of there, so... Looks like it's about a 1/2 inch. No. Yep, 12 millimeter. Huh, got on it. Wow. Someone's got that in there. Well, I don't recommend doing this, but... Don't like that at all. Wow, is that on there? Wow! Red Loctite. I don't recommend doing that, but it worked. Yep, good seal. Okay, the ring gear is all good. Since I've never taken one of these apart, presuming this front half comes off. I don't know if this is all one or... Well, there's 2 screws in there that I can't get out regularly, and I hardly ever break this out. Hardly ever. But it works. Okay, well, it's been a couple days because I went and ordered the clutch after I seen what or saw what the problems were, if anything, and I think this is the problem because this thing is just, it don't want to move. I tried cleaning up, yeah, I think that's the whole problem right there. Guess I should have taken that out of the box just in case this is wrong. Looks exactly the same. Yeah, that works nice. A little stiff, but that works nice. Probably should have replaced them O-rings, but I did not think about getting any. So I'm just going to lubricate them up a bit and make sure they're okay. Make sure they're okay. Make sure they stay pliable. There we go. So this should drop in right past that O-ring. I got this figured out right. Yep, that went in there. That's nice. Let's see if I can put all this together. Here goes there. Oh, you know what? No. This is going to help hold it all together for me. They won't fall out when you put grease on them. Yeah, it makes a mess, but that's why I got gloves on. And every now and then, I struggle with one. Okay, and then we got the ball bearing. That's got to go down in there. Oops. Ooh, I hate it when that happens. That's what I like about that thing. It's got a stop on it. Probably shouldn't have done it like that. Probably should have cleaned them off. It's like undercoating her.
was afraid that was not going to line up, but it lined up. Click. About 12 foot-pounds. Click. Turn it up just a little bit more. Click. Click. Eleven, 12. Been a few days, couldn't remember. Click. Torque wrench is working good today. Some pitting on there. Not bad though. Same here, hitting there. So I'm just going to clean this up, both of them, both sides. That way I know it's all good. For dinner. Try that before. Pretty clean. I'm gonna go hit the air on this. Yes, I'm barely hanging on to that. I don't want to strip them screws out. Click. 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 That's about 15 to 20 inch-pounds. Don't know how much you're going to be able to see, but probably not much of anything. There we go. Loctite. I'll put the easy one in first. One in pretty nice. See, rubber boots fighting me a little bit. I'm trying not to drop this nut. It won't be fun to bring it back out and find it. I'm thinking it's... That is music to my ears. Okay. After everything's all back together, let's try her again. Yeah, that starter works better than it ever has. Okay, that project's all done. This thing's been sitting for at least a month just because I never could get to it. I ordered that starter clutch off of Amazon. I will leave a link in the description of the one I bought. I think it was like $45, $50 maybe, something like that. I'm not sure because I bought a bunch of other parts at the same time. But I was a little leery of doing this because I've never pulled a starter off a Harley before and I didn't know what I was going to run into. It's basic starter, no big deal. I did not think that clutch or the starter clutch was going to be that much of a difference, but when I took the new one out, there was a huge difference. That other one was just like gravel in there, so that's all fixed. That's great. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Next video coming up, I'm making a new shifter peg because I'm trying to make everything I can for this bike myself without buying any aftermarket add-on stuff. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We will see you on the next video. Let's go for a ride.